touching clouds mile by mile. Green hills rise, white peaks shine. This mountain path feels so divine. Rhododendrons line the way, forest whispers guide my day. Cool mountain air, sky so wide, peace and freedom walk beside. Walking on the Mardi Himal Trek, where earth and heaven gently meet. Nature sings in every step. My heart feels calm, my soul feels free. Machhapuchhre calls from far, like a shining northern star. Bird song echoes, wind so light, golden dawn, silent night. Every step the worries fade. On this ancient path I'm made, mountains teach me how to be strong, humble, wild and free. Mardi Himal, dreams so true. Painted skies in every hue. I'll carry this trail deep in my heart, a journey where new life starts. Walking on the Mardi Himal Trail, touching clouds mile by mile. Green hills rise, white peaks shine. This mountain path feels so divine. Rhododendrons line the way, forest whispers guide my day. Cool mountain air, sky so wide, peace and freedom all beside. Walking on the Mardi Himal Trek, where earth and heaven gently meet. Nature sings in every step. My heart feels calm, my soul feels free. Machhapuchhre calls from far, like a shining northern star. Birdsong echoes, wind so light, golden dawn, silent night. Every step, the worries fade on this ancient path I made. Mountains teach me how to be strong, humble, wild and free. Mardi Himal dreams so true, painted skies in every hue. I'll carry this trail deep in my heart, a journey where new life starts. Mardi Himal dreams so true, painted skies in every hue. I'll carry this trail deep in my heart, a journey where new life starts. Walking on the Mardi Himal Trail, touching clouds mile by mile. Green hills rise, white peaks shine. This mountain path feels so divine. Rhododendrons line the way, forest whispers guide my day. Cool mountain air, sky so wide, peace and freedom walk beside. Walking on the Mardi Himal Trail, where earth and heaven gently meet. Nature sings in every step. My heart feels calm,